Greetings, I'm Otto the Metalkake, and welcome to our ultimate holiday mayhem. Are you guys feeling the holiday spirit?
What gave it away?
No. Well, how about we open up some Pokémon cards and feel like kids again?
Good Professor Oak looked out on behalf of Steven. Booster packs lay round and about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the cards that night, though the pull rates were cruel.
Enough of that!
Let us dig into this. First up, check it out. A new Switch case. Look at this artwork. Every single Pokemon in the Switch case is fantastic.
It's cute as heck.
There's no Bidoof.
No.
Amazing.
Check it out. Anyways, today I tried to find some stuff that we haven't opened before. Some interesting stuff, potentially. First up, the Volcanion Mythical Collection. Take a look. This has a bunch of legendaries and Volcanion.
Fantastic.
Sweet. Although I'm not the biggest fan of Volcanion.
I mean, yeah, Volcanion itself isn't all that nice, but this promo is
And it's a shame, because like, it's the first fire/water type, and it's so clean.
That's rude.
Let's open it up.
I mean, it's true, but it's rude. You only see it.
Perfect, thank you. Let us take a look at the promos first. We have Volcanion, Celebi,
Looks nice.
Yep.
Keldeo,
Keldeo.
another Victini,
Yeah, that's right.
Darkrai, and Jirachi.
I'd say 3 very cool ones and 3 quite uninspiring ones.
It's almost like a movie collection. Hey, check it out. A code!
Yeah,
Fantastic.
rad.
Let's see what boosters we got. Breakthrough. Steam Siege.
The legendary.
Fates Collide. And 2 Evolutions. Now I got this box as a Black Friday deal for about $13. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Steam Siege.
So what's your favorite thing about Steam Siege?
This code card.
I mean, fair enough.
Let's see. Zweilos, Nidorino, Ambipom, Poniard, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta, Rufflet,
Fast.
a reverse Nidor. That's actually,
Pretty good.
the artwork is kind of cool. And Primeage, also known as me.
Less hairy though.
Let's hear it. With skinny arms and legs. Max, do you want to have a go?
Sure. Breakthrough. I'll show you this first. So that's a
It's a
thing.
code. It's a code.
So I go
1, 2, 3. Yeah,
One.
perfect.
2, 3, and it's a special energy. It's very special. Another Rufflet. Scatterbug. Okay. Hey, we got some from the same family.
We got a whole desert here.
That's cute. A Snubble.
Voodoo.
Yeah, oh, look at that Cubo go. A Swablu and a this thing.
Yeah, screw
Next.
that. Fates Collide it is.
Stress.
Good.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Yes. Let's go like this. Worm, damn. Random receiver. Use Chinggis Khan. Snippy.
Maybe.
And a good. Real seal. Fairy drop.
That's okay.
Mandibas. Really?
Sure. Sure. Surely these evolutions packs will save the day and give us anything.
Need evolution spray. Metapod.
Retro.
Fuck this. Professor Oak's hint. Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Ponyta. Nidoran. Vulpix. Darkness energy. Onyx. We are having dinner.
Awesome. That's not very vegan.
That's
No, it is not. Raichu, come on. Do you wanna go?
Sure.
This box has been magically cleaned. Let's see if Mox has better luck. 3 to the front.
1, 2.
you mean maximum luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gigantamax. Dynamax.
Spray. Reno. You can get a Nidorino. We didn't Nidorina earlier. So
That is correct.
we get a couple.
We got it all.
Electabuzz. Oh, look at this magic card. I have this card. Sandshrew. Needle.
Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Oh, it's
it's a shiny.
A hollow.
I'll take it.
And a Raticate.
Yeah, okay.
It's another day, huh?
Just
Well, okay, Franz, something else. How about some champion spot? Now this champion spot box features Marnie and 5 pieces of champion spot boosters. Also a Morpeko hand remote pin and 2 promos. Let's get it.
Yeah.
I've heard rumors that in this set there is a huge cake available. And I am a fan of cake.
Okay.
Cake.
okay.
What the hell?
It's supposed to.
It's a poster!
Poster.
It's a Galmani.
In the meanwhile, I will show you this Grim Snarl huge card. Perfect, thank you.
Ingenious.
Got Morpeko! And the same Grim Snarl card. Where'd the pin go?
I wonder.
There's a random code card for you. 5 Champions Path boosters. Ah, now there's the cake I was looking for. Let us start with the cake booster. Yes, that's the games. That's your Champions Path code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get it. Darkness energy. Victini. Kaboo. Team Yell Grunt. Purloin. Pokeball. Okay. Galarian Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Okay. Ha, Altaria.
It's awesome.
I like this Pokemon.
Yeah. Cute.
Cool. Champions Path.
Or him.
Water energy. Shout out to Gunning Blade. He's a YouTuber. Just metal. Abs. Great Ball. Proton Phone. Kakuna.
Matata.
Carvana. Potion.
The big.
And This is my girlfriend's favorite card, Professor's Research. Also known as Creepy Old.
Alright, so it's Champion's Path. Again, it's the only thing we have.
It's the only thing we have.
It's the only thing we have. I'm still waiting for my Vivid Voltage shipment.
Here any day now.
This is the code card.
They said they'll throw it in the window.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's get it.
So we got water.
Try to keep the cards inside.
A suspicious food tin. A Malamar. A Great Ball. A Pokeball. A Weedle. A Kakuna. A Carvana. A Potion. A Marnie.
Downwards.
Oh, sorry. And a Marnie. She's on the cover. So that's cool.
That's good.
And a Dandelion.
Dandelion. Dandelion.
Dandelion.
No, it's Eldegoss.
Yeah, but it's cute. It's cool. I like it. Yeah.
It's dope.
Yeah.
Take what you get and you don't get much.
Let's go. Code. Psychic energy. Depart. I do love boys. Whatever.
And girls.
Okay. Cat. Kakuna.
Kakuna.
Dog. Hey. One of these crystal clear mirror energy thingamajiggies.
Can you see yourself in it?
I mean, almost. Check it out. Cool.
It's not our day, huh?
Creepy old bit.
This is not our day, huh?
Last pack magic.
I'm sure nothing bad will happen.
Arceus, Bidoof, Kaiba, Santa. Jesus.
No.
Come on. Bring us the cake. Just want one cake. Hard to grasp. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a good sign, also known as metal.
The stories are with us.
Yes. Beedrill.
We have the whole evolution.
Finally.
Put some phone. Tubish.
It's rubbish.
But junk.
Okay, how many Inks do we have? Weedle.
Almost as many as we have Weedle.
Linoon. Rotom Boy.
It's quite something.
Yeah.
And a Centiscorch.
It looks nice.
In the last episode, one of you mentioned individually packaged Pokemon cards. So I got some of those exact things. These are from the Japanese Pokémon Center. And they might have a nice Pikachu inside. Actually, there's various Pikachus, but all Pikachus matter. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Now this booster feels super weird. Because there's not one card inside, maybe. Much easier to open though. It's so hard, because I don't want to destroy anything. Yes, there is one card inside. Individually packaged card. Perfect.
There we go.
Let's see what we get.
And it's Pikachu!
It's Pikachu! Woo! Look at this Pikachu.
He's pissed.
I like the art.
Cute as heck.
Beautiful.
Cool. What can I say?
Cool!
Cool! Okay, last pack magic for reals this time.
Not shocking. Believe in the heart of the cards.
I do believe in the heart of the cards that they have abandoned me.
A Pikachu!
This is a hollow Pikachu with
That's sweet.
the Pikachu has a flower. Look at those little dudes in the background.
What does it say here?
Pokémon card. Campaign.
I mean,
It's a campaign.
checks out.
Cool! Let's see. And here is everything kind of worth mentioning today. What are your favorites?
Well, the Pikachus. Both of them.
Yeah, they're kind of special. Just
The rest is kind of...
just for sake, I'm gonna go with just for variation's sake, I'll say maybe this Elder Goss caught me off guard, so that's nice.
I'm gonna have to. Well, Jirachi is metal, as we know, but look at this Cubone art. It's sad.
No, look at the professor's research.
No! All in all, could have been better, could have been worse. Oh yeah, that was fun, right?
Right.
Thank you for joining us today on our ultimate holiday mayhem. I hope you had fun at least. Now, like the video, maybe subscribe, share it around, and I will catch you in the next exciting Christmas episode. This here is our patient, Tuomas. Now, even though he's a beautiful man, he doesn't know jack about Pokémon. So we shall conduct a psychotherapy experiment on him. Now, Tuomas, what is the first phrase that comes into your mind when you see this Pokémon?
Dream tentacles.
Dream tentacles. Which of these three phrases would you associate with this Pokémon? Money, wealth, and prosperity.
I would say it's money because it says gold here, and also it's a cat, so...
Interesting.
Am I gonna get better?
This is an easy one. What color is this Pokémon?
Shiny.
Let me see. Your father never really loved you, since you didn't get any Pokémon cards as a kid. But this can be cured. We prescribe you with a healthy dose of Pokémon cards. Get it!
I'm ready to get better.
Enough of that!